Yeah, the songs, on the top side of massive, yeah. Conscious reggae, massive hold tight scene. Indika song, yeah, hold tight.
Ooh, yeah, still going through.
Wow.
So tattooed tune, rejected one.
Put sound right.
I've been used and abused and so wrongly accused, but I'm still going through. And some people backbiting me, always they fighting me. Still I go through, but I know one day you will realize it's the mercies of God that has kept us alive. We will sing a new song for justice, and we will go through. You've got to focus your eyes on the prize. If you slip, you will slide. From God you can't hide. We will sing a new song for justice, and we will go through. And if you don't have no love in your heart, you will have to depart, because you need love to start to sing a new song for justice, for peace to go through. And although we keep fighting me down, I get stronger and stronger. I'm always around. I'm rooted around for justice. Still I go through. But after all, I'm about to free up the fight. I don't wanna deal with no strife. No. Tell me, why are you scared of me? Do I really seem so threatening? Why are you scared of me? I'm only trying to make a living. Man, you see me on the street and you know what to do. Not a for your business and not for me, you see. When you when me name and come to do with me, I do. Every man have to go through. Why are you scared of me? Do I really seem so threatening? Why are you scared of me? I'm only trying to make a living. Why are you scared of me? Do I really seem so threatening? Why are you scared of me? I'm only trying to make a living. I'm a humble little man from out Florida. Sit back and jump, I don't dwell with no one. Eat sugar cane and enough yellow yam. Then wash it and I suck it on. Why are you scared of me?
Yeah.
Do I really seem so threatening? Why are you scared of me?
Quick sample right.
I'm only trying to make a living. They call me sexy. Crazy times how this day. We all have pain. We all have sorrow. But if we are wise, we know that there's always tomorrow. Lean on me when you're not strong, and I'm afraid. I have to care.
song massive, what, big sample right here. Yeah.
I can't feel it. Oh. Listen to you. Style. Get on. Tell us. I've been around the world, baby, but nothing compares to you. The way she makes me feel inside of your skin, it's like a deja vu. There's no doubt that you are special, baby. So this song is sentimental. I don't wanna see you worry about me. With my heart, so baby, baby, you're good enough, good enough. My life is so much better. Baby, you're good enough, and to me there ain't no other. Baby, you're good enough, good enough. In any time or weather. Baby, you're good enough, good enough.
Oh, you hold me tight, you. I'm the season right. They tell me why I'm not time for it. I mean, I think she can't feel me, but I do me time. I'm gonna be the world, but you want me nice. No, I'm a woman, never make me feel so nice. Whenever I'm around, you nothing but I go and fight the video. I always want me stick it in your eyes. Holding up for me, not for the rest of mankind. Feel good on home, yourself all the time. All the time is like you make me sunshine. Come on, you can man, I'll be here anytime. We do my life, my life, fine. So won't be the only time on the line.
So sweet to me, daily I'm deciding to leave. Money I'm deciding to come to me. Operation cannot proceed. It's not peace, daily I'm deciding to leave.
Yeah, Indika song, Indika song.
Down the weed. Operation cannot proceed. Way up in the hills, we got to find a Tennessee. Far away from society. Whoa. Do you know that I've got a big family back on the waiting on me? Society is trying to hold me down. It got me scared from a simple time. Now desperation is all around. But don't be